Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to film a holiday Christmas-y makeup look for you guys. This is really easy. There is a lot of blending involved and yeah, I had a lot of fun filming it and doing this look for you guys. I really like the way everything turned out. So if you want to see how I got this really easy holiday Christmas glam, please keep on watching. I primed my eyes with the P. Louise Base in Rumor 2. And for today's palette, we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. I am going to start off with this color right here. And it's Wigglies. And I'm just going to pack this onto the lid. The brush I'm using is the Morphe M224. So I brought that all the way up to my crease. So now we're going to take this shade right here, which is Ginger, and I'm using a Morphe M502. I'm going to start blending the outer portion of, well, the outer edge of that color and just buffing this up. You want to take your time blending. I'm also going to work this into my brows. I really just want to diffuse this color. It's storming right now, so sorry about the noise. So I'm going to take a little bit of glitter glue and I'm going to apply a very small amount into my inner tear duct. This is really going to make my inner tear duct shadow color pop. And the one that I'm using is from NYX, in case you're wondering. It's only $6. So I'm going to take this Becca highlighter in Vanilla Quartz. I've really been liking this as an eyeshadow. So this is what I'm going to pop into my inner tear duct. I'm just going to push this in. And now I'm just going to go back and blend things out just so everything looks a little more seamless. I'm going to also take this color and just highlight the brow bone. I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Edges, and I'm going to run this on the lower lash line. And I'm avoiding the inner portion where I highlighted. And I'm also connecting it up into the top. I'm going to take a little bit of Wigglies and apply that right in the center of the lower lash line. So I think I'm going to take this color also, which is Zam. And I just want to tap this into the center. I'm going to go in with eyeliner. I'm going to take a little bit of white liner. I'm going to go in with some blush. This is MAC's Pleasure Model. So I'm going to go back in with that Becca highlighter. So I'm going to take a little bit more of ginger on that fluffy brush and just buff this lower lash line out a little bit more. The lighting, I know, just changed. The sun is coming out right now. So because we did color on the eyes, I'm going to go in with a nude lip. I'm going to go in with Morphe Sugar Pie Lip Liner and Fenty's Unbutton lipstick. Okay, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this video. I really like the way everything turned out. It was really easy, simple. It was a lot of blending. A lot of blending is always very, very crucial with makeup looks, and especially when you're trying to do bolder colors. It just makes everything look so much better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.